Hello?
Good afternoon, Mr. Alex Peterson. This is Ms. Sophie Harrison from the Human Resources Department of Acme Software. Do you have a moment to talk?
Good afternoon, Ms. Harrison. Yes, of course.
I'm calling you regarding your recent interview for the junior developer position. We were very impressed with your profile and your performance during the selection process.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to hear that.
We would like to formally extend a job offer to you for the junior developer position at Acme Software.
That's excellent news. I'm very interested in the opportunity.
We are very pleased. The position has an annual salary of 28,000 British pounds, plus statutory benefits and other benefits such as a company pension scheme.
That sounds very good. What would be the expected start date?
We would like you to be able to start on Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Would that be possible for you?
Yes, that date works for me.
Perfect. We will send you an email today with the formal details of the offer, including the contract and information about benefits. We would appreciate it if you could confirm your acceptance no later than Friday, May 30th, 2025.
Understood. I will review the email carefully and confirm my decision before that date.
Excellent. We are very excited for you to join our team. Do you have any questions at this time?
For now, I think the information you've given me is clear. I will review the documents, and if any questions arise, I will contact you by email.
Perfect, Mr. Peterson. We look forward to your response. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, Ms. Harrison. Likewise.